once again. I'm Dorothy from Let's Eat Malaysian. Now today I'm going to attempt to make a chiffon cake, a pandan chiffon cake. So let's get cracking. I've got here 6 to 7 strips of pandan leaves. Now you can get these in the grocery shops. The Asian grocery shops, they sell them frozen in a packet. So I have here 6 or 7 strips. I'm going to combine this with pandan essence because this will not be enough. So I have here a bottle of green pandan essence. Now I have 6 eggs. We're going to use 6 egg whites and 5 egg yolks. Now here is 1.5 teaspoons of sodium bicarb, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink salt. I have here 50 ml of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 175 grams of castor sugar, 180 grams of plain flour. Now for a start, and 100 ml of coconut milk. Now this one I used is I put in 6 tablespoons of coconut powder into 100 ml of warm water to make this coconut milk instead of using a whole tin, which would be probably a waste. So we will start by doing the pandan essence, which is a combination, of course, of the leaves and the essence. So first of all, I will have to cut up these pandan leaves. If you use just this, you can do that too, but I want the original flavor because this is really good. So for a start, well, it'll take some time, so if you don't have the patience, you can just use the pandan essence. I'm going to cut this into small strips and I will have to pound this and squeeze out the juice. I've added about 40 ml of water in here to get the juice out. So this is what you're looking for. You can see the juice is green and you try to, but it takes time to do this. Okay. Right, so we have here, let's see. Okay, it's about right. So I think it's about 45 ml. So with this juice, I'm going to strain it again and put it in here. Okay, this is a finer sieve. Okay, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of pandan essence. So that will give it its color. Okay. So you set this aside and we will now do the eggs. Separate your eggs. So we need 6 egg whites and 5 egg yolks. Oops. So you have your 5 egg yolks and 6 egg whites. The first thing you're going to do is take about half of your sugar and your cream of tartar and whisk it all together. We'll put all this in, combine everything in. Okay, we're going to combine all this in. So we're going to combine the egg yolk, sugar. It's not enough. Try to get everything. Don't waste. Vanilla essence, oil, salt, sodium bicarb, and the flour. Well, I saw that my batter was too thick and I forgot to put my coconut milk. So this is a trial. So we'll see whether my chiffon cake will still turn out. So I'm going to put in my coconut milk. So you whisk your egg white until it is thick. It is nice and stiff like this, nice and frothy. You now fold this into the remaining ingredients. Turn the thing around. Turn. Okay, we're going to put it into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes and see how it goes. At 180 degrees C, okay? So we'll put it for 35 minutes first, and if it needs more time, we'll put another extra 5 minutes. Test it with this thing and see. It's not brown enough.
It's pretty brown. If it comes out clean, it's done. That's pretty brown, actually.
Yeah, I suppose
Done.
it's good.
Okay.
Okay, it has come out clean, so it's done. So this is the end result of my pandan chiffon cake. It does need a bit of green coloring, but aside from that, it has turned out well. Thank you for watching, and click like and subscribe to my channel.